New York, London, Dubai, and now Gurgaon. If you are planning to invest in real estate, this is something you must know. Recently, the Economic Times shared a big update that Gurgaon is now the only place outside New York to have two Trump Towers. The first one at Golf Course Road, which is already sold out, and the second Trump Tower is also coming up in Gurgaon. But what does that mean and how it is going to affect you as an investor? Let's understand this through 4 phases of real estate growth that usually all major cities go through. Phase 1, boom in commercial real estate. It all starts when big companies and institutions enter a city. They build office spaces there and eventually the city starts becoming a business hub. New York saw this in 1930s with Manhattan, London saw this in 1980s with Canary Wharf, and Dubai saw this in 1990s with all the business districts, and now it is the time for Gurgaon. In Gurgaon, it happened in early 2000 with Golf Course Road, Cyber City and Udyog Vihar. Phase 2, land aggregation and residential boom. After a city transforms into a business hub, the demand for residential properties starts to boom. People start buying land close to their workplaces, and this is where land prices go up and people who have ancestral land become rich. In Gurgaon, this happened when Huda developed different sectors. The farmers who owned the land parcels there became millionaires overnight. Phase 3, lifestyle-led residential demand. Now, the new generation comes in. They don't want to deal with building the plots or maintaining them. They prefer move-in ready homes with community, security and luxury. This is where luxurious residential properties become more popular than land. Just like on Golf Course Road. Apartments here cost more than the land parcels as compared to the other parts of the Gurgaon. Phase 4, branded residences. Nowadays, every builder is offering luxury. Clubhouses, pools, gyms, and higher prices. Everything is there. But how do they stand out now? This is why several big developers are tying up with big global brands. Armani and Bulgari homes in Dubai, Marriott branded residences in New York, and now in Gurgaon, Trump Towers. This gives a housing project an international feels with premium identity. So if you are investing in Gurgaon real estate, you are not just buying the property, you are investing in a city that is following the exact path of global giant. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such insightful content.